The graphics card market is on the brink of a significant transformation. AMD, a company that has steadily gained ground in the GPU sector, is preparing to launch a new graphics card that could redefine performance standards. This move comes at a time when NVIDIA, a longtime leader in the industry, is facing criticism over its recent releases. NVIDIA's recent challenges. NVIDIA's latest offering, the RTX 5060 Ti, has been met with mixed reactions. While it boasts impressive specifications on paper, real-world performance has left some users disappointed. The 8GB variant, in particular, has faced scrutiny for its limited memory capacity, which hinders its ability to handle modern games at higher resolutions. Users have reported issues such as stuttering, low frame rates, and texture pop-ins, even at 1080p resolution. These problems are exacerbated when the card is used with PCIe 4.0 interfaces, leading to performance drops of up to 10% compared to PCIe 5.0 setups. Tom's Hardware, +4. Tom's Hardware, +4. TechRadar, +4. Tom's Hardware, +2. Tom's Hardware, +2. BigGo, +2. Furthermore, NVIDIA's driver updates have not been without issues. The 576.02 driver, intended to address various bugs, introduced new problems, including crashes and instability in several games. This has raised concerns about the company's quality control and the rushed nature of the RTX 5060 Ti's release. Support book, +1. Tom's Hardware, +1. AMD's strategic response. In contrast, AMD is positioning itself as a formidable competitor. The company is set to unveil its next-generation Radeon 4 GPUs, which promise significant improvements in gaming performance, ray tracing capabilities, and AI integration. These advancements are expected to make AMD's upcoming GPUs highly attractive to gamers and professionals alike. The Verge. One of the most anticipated releases is the Radeon RX 9060 XT. Retail listings have already surfaced, indicating a starting price of $450 for the 8GB version and $519.99 for the 16GB variant. These cards feature boost clocks up to 3,320 MHz, slightly surpassing previous leaks. While these prices are higher than NVIDIA's RTX 5060 Ti, they reflect the market's current trends, where actual retail prices often exceed manufacturer-suggested prices. TechRadar, +3. Tom's Hardware, +3. Tom's Hardware, +3. AMD is also preparing to launch the Radeon Pro W9000 series, targeting professionals in fields like video editing, 3D rendering, and AI development. The W9000 series is expected to feature a 32GB GDDR6 model built on the Navi 48 XTW die, offering performance gains across various professional applications. This move underscores AMD's commitment to providing high-performance solutions for demanding workloads. TechRadar. Market implications. The introduction of AMD's new GPUs could significantly impact the graphics card market. With NVIDIA's recent challenges, AMD has an opportunity to capture market share by offering products that deliver better performance and value. Gamers and professionals are increasingly seeking alternatives that meet their needs without compromising on quality or performance. As AMD prepares to launch its new GPUs, the company is also focusing on ensuring compatibility and support for various platforms. This approach aims to provide a seamless experience for users, further enhancing the appeal of AMD's offerings.